Hi, I'm Moses. I'm one of the sales managers with Whistle Realty Group here in San Diego. I'm going to tell you 6 steps to make your offer stand out. Number 1, always talk to the listing agent before the showing. This is an opportunity for you to find out about the agent you may be working with and what the sellers are looking for. Number 2, personalize your offer. Make sure you include terms that work for not just your clients, but for the sellers as well. Number 3, include a few extra things with your offer. Before you even write your first offer for your clients, you should have a verification of funds, a pre-approval letter, and if you can in your area, a photo and a letter telling a little bit about your clients. Number 4, an email is not enough. Always call the listing agent after submitting an offer. It gives you an opportunity to sell yourself, your clients, your brokerage, and your lender, as well as find out about other offers and explain to the listing agent how your clients and you are their best option to close the deal. Number 5, follow up. It's not uncommon in today's market to have 5, 10, or even 20 offers on a home. This is not an excuse not to reach out to the other listing agent. This gives you an opportunity to show your professionalism, your collaborative style, and to let them know that you want to partner with them on the deal. And finally, number 6, never give up. It's not over till it's over. Always try to find a creative way to keep the deal going and keep your clients in the game. Sometimes your determination and hard work is enough to win the deal. I'm Moses, the sales manager with Whistle Realty. I'd love to hear what you think about the tips I suggested today. And if you have any questions about the tools we use to do this, please reach out. My contact information is below. Hope to hear from you soon.